Affordable way to clean your fuel injectors. No expensive tools needed. Ever wondered how to give your car the VIP treatment it deserves? Well, you're in for a treat because today we're spilling the beans on an affordable way to pamper your ride. And it doesn't involve emptying your wallet on fancy tools or a mechanic. Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts, and all you savvy folks out there looking to keep your wheels running like a dream. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today we're diving into the world of cheap, fun, and reliable wheels. We've all been there. You're cruising down the road and suddenly your car's performance takes a nosedive. But before you break out in a sweat, thinking about expensive repairs or fuel injector cleaning machines, we've got a game changer for you. Today's episode is all about an affordable way to clean your fuel injector's vertical bar, no expensive tools needed. We're about to turn you into a car magician, waving goodbye to those pesky engine troubles. So buckle up, folks, because we're about to embark on a journey that will not only save you money, but also leave your car running smoother than ever before. Let's get into gear and dive into the world of affordable fuel injector cleaning. It's time to revitalize your ride. When it comes to car maintenance, we all want to ensure our vehicles are running smoothly without draining our bank accounts. In this comprehensive guide, we're about to unveil the secrets to cleaning your fuel injectors affordably and effectively. Say goodbye to those pricey professional services and expensive tools. We're diving into the world of DIY fuel injector cleaning. Why you need a cleaning solution. Fuel injectors are a critical component of your car's engine. Over time, they can get clogged with dirt, debris, and varnish, leading to reduced fuel efficiency, poor performance, and increased emissions. Cleaning your fuel injectors is essential for maintaining peak engine performance and fuel efficiency. But do you really need a costly professional service or an expensive cleaning machine? Meet your affordable cleaning solution, Car Cleaner. The heart of this DIY project is the cleaning solution, and we're not talking about anything exotic or hard to find. Our choice? Car Cleaner. It's easily accessible at most auto parts stores and won't leave a dent in your wallet. This common car maintenance product will be the key to restoring your fuel injectors to their former glory. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the nitty-gritty of creating your own cost-effective fuel injector cleaning device. You won't believe how straightforward and budget-friendly this process can be. Step 1. Removing the O-rings. First things first. We need to access the fuel injector. To do that, you'll need to remove the O-rings at the end of the injector. It's a simple step, but it's essential for getting the job done effectively. Step 2. Choosing the right rubber hose size. Now we have to establish a connection between the fuel injector and the car cleaner. To do this, we'll need a rubber hose that matches the diameter of the fuel injector, measure the area where the hose will attach to the fuel rail, ensuring you get the right size. It's worth a quick trip to your local auto parts store to pick up a hose that fits perfectly. Step 3. Sealing connections securely with heat shrink tubing. Here's where the DIY magic happens. To secure the connections between the hoses, we're going to use marine heat shrink tubing. These nifty little things not only seal connections but also protect against moisture and oils. Simply slide the heat shrink tubing over the hose, heat it up and watch it shrink to about a third of its original size. The adhesive inside ensures a tight and waterproof seal. Step 4. Gradual hose size reduction. Now, we're going to connect our hoses to the car cleaner can. We'll do this by using smaller and smaller sized rubber hoses, making sure each connection is sealed with heat shrink tubing. The goal here is to create a snug, airtight fit that won't leak any cleaning solution when pressurized. Cost-effective DIY at its finest. One of the best things about this DIY project is its cost-effectiveness. You won't need an expensive fuel injector cleaning machine or professional service. The materials required, like rubber hoses and marine heat shrink tubing, are readily available and budget-friendly. With a little bit of patience and some creativity, you'll have your very own DIY injector cleaning device that won't break the bank. Alright folks, before we dive even deeper into our affordable fuel injector cleaning adventure, here's a little pit stop question for you. If your car could talk, what do you think it would say about its current performance? Share your funniest or wildest car confessions in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation revving. Welcome back to our fuel injector cleaning journey, where we're putting the power back into your hands. Now that we've assembled our DIY cleaning device, it's time to tackle the main event, preparing the fuel injector and getting down to the business of cleaning. A secure connection is your best friend. Before we jump into the cleaning process, let's talk about the importance of a secure connection. You've gone through the effort of crafting your DIY cleaning device, and the last thing you want is a loose connection that can lead to mess and inefficiency. When attaching the DIY device to the fuel injector, ensure it's snug and airtight. The cleaner you use is precious, and any leakage is a waste. Remember, a good seal means the cleaning solution will flow through the injector and do its job properly. So, tighten those clamps and check for any potential leaks. Time to clean up your act, the fuel injector cleaning process. Now let's roll up our sleeves and get into the nitty-gritty of cleaning that fuel injector. With your DIY setup securely connected, it's time to bring your engine back to life. Activating the fuel injector. Here's where the real action happens. With your DIY setup in place, it's time to activate the fuel injector. But remember, this isn't a marathon, it's a sprint. Quick, controlled bursts of activation are the way to go. Why? Because your car's fuel injectors are designed to operate with short bursts of voltage, usually a fraction of a second. Keeping it brief prevents overheating and potential damage to your injector. As you press that metaphorical gas pedal and activate the injector, keep a close eye on the spray pattern. What you're looking for is a clean, even spray from the injector. If it's coming out uneven or appears clogged, a few more bursts might do the trick. The goal here is to flush out all the dirt, debris, and varnish that might be clogging up your injector. Safety. First, backflushing the fuel injector. Now you might be thinking, what about the other side of the injector? Excellent question. That's where backflushing comes in. It's the final step to ensure your injector is squeaky clean. The necessity of backflushing is crucial because it ensures that any remaining debris from the cleaning solution is pushed out. Think of it as the encore performance after the main show. Without backflushing, you might leave some cleaning solution residue, which could lead to further issues down the road, so don't skip this step. It's the cherry on top of your DIY cleaning cake. Safety measures. Disconnecting the DIY device. Before you perform the backflush, it's essential to disconnect your DIY cleaning device safely. You've spent time crafting it, so you want it to be in good shape for future use. Demonstrating backflushing. To backflush, you'll need to remove the cleaning solution canister from your setup and attach it to the other end of the fuel injector. This reversal of the cleaning process ensures that any remaining contaminants are expelled. As you backflush, you might notice some discolored liquid. That's a good sign. It means the cleaning solution did its job and is now carrying away the impurities from your fuel injector. So, there you have it, fellow car aficionados. You've just unlocked the secrets to DIY fuel injector cleaning, and your car is undoubtedly thanking you for it. We've shown you how to keep your engine running smoothly without burning through your wallet. If you've enjoyed this ride with us and want more automotive wisdom, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Car Computer Exchange. Join our community of car enthusiasts and let's keep your wheels rolling smoothly together. Until next time, stay tuned for more automotive adventures.